Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsha and I'm from the Bodhi Academy. Now, we have already discussed our coordinate geometry in the last video. So, we will just continue with the class 10 maths, that is coordinate geometry chapter. And today we will learn the questions on section formula, which is given by m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2 comma m1y2 plus m2y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now, what is m1 and m2? That is the ratio which divides any line. If we have 2 points P comma R and suppose one point is there Q, okay, now this distance and this distance is divided by the ratio which is given as m1 and m2. Okay, now we will solve some problems on this. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1 comma 7 and 4 comma -3 in the ratio what? 2 and 3. Now this is our m1 m2. This is our x1 y1. Remember how we used to take the points coordinate forms? Same way, x2 y2. Now it is given by x comma y. Section formula is given by x comma y. m1, always write the formula carries half mark, plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now we have to find the point right here. What is this point we have to find? So this we will write as x comma y only. Now m1 we know is 2 into x2 is 4 plus m2 is 3, x1 is -1 upon m1 plus m2 is 2 plus 3, comma m1 is 2, y2 is -3 plus m2 is 3, comma y1 is 7 upon 2 plus 3. Now, 2 into 4, 8. 4 is 8, plus into minus is minus, 3 into 1 is 3 upon 5, comma 2 into -3 is -6 plus 21 upon 5 equal to this becomes your 8 minus 3 is 5 upon 5, comma -6 plus 21 will be 25 upon, sorry, 15 minus, sorry, plus 15 upon 5. So when you cancel, this is your 1 by 3. So your x comma y point is 1 comma 3. So this point here which divides this line is 1 comma 3. Then next question. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the like segment 4 comma -1 and -2 comma 3. Now trisection is what we having 3 parts. Trisection is, the name itself sees, we can see that it has made 3 sections. First section you can take as 1 is to these 2 parts. Okay, and second section you can take is, yeah, this 2 and this one. So first section we'll have to take part 1 and part 2. Part 1. Now part 1 is given by, okay, now here your m1 and m2. So m1 is, first I'll take this 1 is to 2. 1 into x2, this x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 is -2 plus m2 is 2, x1 is 4 upon 1 plus 2, comma m1 is here, it is 1, y2 is -3 plus m2 here is 2, y1 is -1. 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 4 2 are 8 upon 3 comma minus 3 minus 2 upon 1 plus 2, which will be minus 2 plus 8 is 6 upon 3, and this will be minus 5 upon 3. So your answer for this is x comma y. When the point is here, it is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. And part 2 will take 2 is to 1. M1, M2 will take 2 is to 1. So first it is M1 x2. M1 is 2, x2 is minus 2 plus M2 here is 1 and x1 is 4 upon 1 plus, it's 2 plus 1 comma. Now M1 y2, M1 is 2, y2 is minus 3 plus M2 is 1, y1 is minus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Then minus 4 plus 4 upon 3 comma minus 6 minus 1 upon 2, 3. This becomes 0 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3. So your second point is 0, 0 comma minus 3. Okay. Then find the ratio. Now we have to find the ratio m1 is to m2. Okay, we have to find the ratio m1 is to m2. First point is x1 y1 and second point is x2 y2, and here m1 ratio is not given, but this is given. See, point which divides the line segment. So this becomes your x comma y. So we'll write the, okay, x comma y is given by minus 1 comma 6. Here first step is to write the formula. M1 M2 we have to find. So M1 x2 is 6 plus M2 x1 is minus 3, m1 plus m2, okay, comma m1 y2 is minus 8 plus m2 y1 is 10 and m1 plus m2. So minus 1 comma 6 is equal to 6 m1 minus 3 m2 upon m1 plus m2 comma minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2 upon m1 plus m2. Now first what you do, this first coordinate is equal to first coordinate, second coordinate is equal to second coordinate. 6 m1 minus 3 m2 upon m1 plus m2 equal to minus 1 and minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2 m1 plus m2 is equal to 6. 6 m1 minus 3. Either you can equate this also, this also. You can solve this or this, no problem. You can solve taking first. I am solving the first equation. 3m2 equal to minus m1 minus m2. Okay. Now I'll keep m1s on one side. Plus m1 equal to minus m2 plus 3m2. I'll get 7m1 equal to 2m2. Then I'll take m1, this m2 I'll move here, 2 upon 7. So my m1 is to m2, I got ratio 2 is to 7. So find the ratio, we have got the ratio for which the line segment, the point minus 1 comma 6 divides this. Then the last question we'll see is, which is important in ratio and this section formula, is find the ratio in which the line segment joining A and B is divided by the x-axis. Okay. Now this ratio, these 2 points, 1 comma minus 5 and minus 4 comma 5 is divided by the x-axis. Now x-axis point is given by x comma 0 always. I have told you this I explained you this in the last video. X-axis point is always given by x comma 0. Now we have to find what is the value of this x. Now, okay, here ratio also we don't know. Ratio is also not given. When you have not, when you have been not given a point, certain point, and ratio is not given, you have to always take ratio as k is to 1. Now, I'll write the formula and we'll find. Okay, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now here this is your x1 y1, x2 y2, then this is your x comma y point, and this is your m1 and m2. m1 here is k, x2 is minus 4 plus m2 is 1, x1 is 1 upon m1 plus m2 is k plus 1. This is your x comma 0, right? Then comma m1 is k again, y2 is 5 plus m2 is 1 and y1 is minus 5 upon k plus 1. Now see, this point will be equal to x and this point, this equation will be equal to 0. So which equation we can take, then we'll get the value of k? Obviously this second equation. So 5k minus 5 upon k plus 1 will be equal to 0. Okay, now we'll cross multiply, this will be equal to 0. So 5k minus 5 equal to 0, 5k equal to 5, k will be equal to 5 upon 5, k is, yeah, okay. Okay, one more question we have for today, and that is find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is this. Okay, we'll first draw the diagram. Center is what? Diameter is given and center is given 2 comma minus 3. Okay, and the diameter of a circle is given by point A and B point is 1 comma 4. Now this is based upon the this midpoint formula. Now if we take this as x comma y, then I can write here 2 comma minus 3 is equal to 1 plus x or x plus 1 upon 2 comma y plus 4 upon 2. Okay, so your x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 comma your y plus 4 upon 2 is equal to minus 3. Now cross multiply, x plus 1 is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 minus 1, x is equal to 3. Y plus 4 is equal to minus 6, y is equal to minus 6 minus 4, y is equal to minus 10. So your point here is x comma y, which is 3 comma minus 10. So here we have done the section formula. Now we will move on to the this area of triangle. Okay, now we will start the topic area of triangle. Now area of triangle formula is given by half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. These are all the coordinates. You will be given 3 points, from that you have to find area of triangle. Now area of triangle formula already we have written. Now let us start finding the value. Now x1 here is 2. Now see, this is x1, this is x1, this is y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. 2 into y2 minus 3 minus y3. y3 is minus of minus 4. Okay. Plus x2 is minus 1, y3 is y3 is, this is y3 minus 4. Then minus y1 is 3 plus x3 here is 2, y1 minus y2, y1 is 3 minus y2 is 0. 2 into 3 plus 4 is 7. Minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7 plus 2 into 3. Half into 14 plus 7 minus into minus is plus 6. Half into 14 plus 7, okay, 6, 6, 12 and 13, 27, which is 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 13.5 units. Next question is, see, same thing we have to do, half, we have to find the area of triangle. x1 is minus 5, y2 minus y3, y2 is minus 5 minus y3 is 2 plus x2 3, y3 2 minus y3 2 minus y1 is minus 1, that becomes plus 1 plus x3 is 2, y1 minus y2 is plus 5, minus 5 into minus 7 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 4. Now half, minus into minus plus, 35 plus 9 plus 8, 52. 26 units. Okay. Now another important question is, in each of the following find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Points are collinear means your area of triangle is equal to 0. Now what is area of triangle? See this would is equal to 0. Half into x1 is 7, y2 is 1 minus y3 is k plus x2 is 5, y3 is k minus y1 is plus 2 plus x3 is 3, y1 is minus 2 minus y2 is 1 equal to 0. Half into, okay, now this 7 will have to multiply 7 minus 7k here and here too, plus again here 5 into k, 5k plus 10. This becomes 3 into minus 3, which is minus 9 equal to 0. Half into, now minus 7k plus 5k is minus 2k. Now 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 minus 9 is 8 equal to 0. Now this half, this 2 if we take here, It will become minus 2 minus 8 equal to 0. Minus 2k is equal to 8. K is equal to 8 upon minus 2. K is equal to 2. 2 4s are 8. Now we got the value of k. Now these are some of the important problems from area of triangle formula, and with this we conclude our coordinate geometry chapter. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe.